Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to evaluate the limit if it exists, and we have the limit as x approaches 2 of x squared minus 4x plus 4 over x to the fourth minus 3x squared minus 4. So what we have here is we have two polynomials in a rational function where if we just plug in 2 directly, then we are going to be dividing by 0. So we have to simplify them in a way that will remove some term from the denominator and then allow us to plug in 2 directly. So we have the limit as x approaches 2. And on top we have a trinomial, quadratic trinomial. So x squared is x times x. We need two numbers that multiply to 4 and add to negative 4. So that's negative 2 and negative 2. And here we have a trinomial, but it's quartic, it's a fourth power. However, it's basically the same function, or form rather, as the numerator. It's just x squared times x squared. Two numbers that multiply to negative 4 add to negative 3, negative 4 and positive 1. And we don't have anything that we can simplify yet, but we can notice that we have x squared minus 4. So this is the difference of two squares. Because 4 is 2 squared, this is x plus 2 times x minus 2. And then don't forget x squared plus 1. And now what we can do is we can cancel out x minus 2 and x minus 2. It leaves us with x minus 2 over x plus 2 times x squared plus 1. And now we can plug in 2 into the fraction because we're not dividing by 0. So we have 2 minus 2 over 2 plus 2 times 2 squared plus 1. This is equal to 0 over 2 plus 2 is 4 times 2 squared is 4 plus 1. So 0 over 4 times 5, 0 over 20, or 0. Therefore, the value of this limit is 0.